What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to create custom ringtones on the iPhone XR. All right, so this is a really cool trick I'm about to show you. You will need GarageBand installed on your iPhone as well as some music already downloaded. All right, so anyways, let's get into it. So what you need to do is click on GarageBand, right? And what you're going to want to do is search for the audio recorder option. So let me scroll over till I find it here. All right, so it should look like a little micro, here we go. All right, so that's what it looks like. This is the option you need to click on, so just search through for it, and then you're gonna wanna click on it. Okay, as soon as you do that, you're gonna be brought up to another little section here, but what we need to do is tap on the 3-digit option in the top left-hand corner. So I'm gonna click on that, and now this is the point where you're gonna get ready to add an actual song. So what you need to do now is click this little loop icon, and then you want to scroll over to music, and like I said, you just need to make sure you have some music already installed. I'm just going to pull up a Drake song on here. Let's go for another one here. All right, so just put your finger on it at that point and drag it into this box here, and then it's going to pull the song in here, and you're going to have some different options. So I'm just going to play it real quick, but what you want to do is, you know, kind of drag it and cut it based on how you want the song to go. So like, let's say I just want to have like the first, whatever, 15 seconds on there. Basically, that's it. You can do some other cool tricks in here as far as like editing it, but I'm just trying to, you know, show you how this works. So as soon as you've done your editing and you're all good to go, you just want to tap the top left-hand corner here, click My Songs, and it's going to save it. All right, so now it's going to pull it into like a little section right here. Now, once we get into this, we're almost there. You need to hold down on, you know, the song, and you want to click Share, and you want to go straight to where it says Ringtone. So I'm going to click on Ringtone. I'm just going to name the song here Drake, because that was a Drake song. And I spelled Drake wrong. Let me try this again. All right, cool. I'm going to click Done. I'm going to click Export. It's going to export it into your ringtones. Let's just wait for it to finish here. All right, so I'm just going to click OK. Now let's go into our settings here to check that it actually worked and saved, which it should have. All right, so General, and then we got to go to Sounds. All right, actually just Sounds right here, and then we need to scroll down to where it says Ringtones. And there it is right there. It's right at the top. All right, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Now, this will work on any iPhone you're currently using. We're just doing it with the iPhone XR, and it is a cool way to, you know, create your own ringtones with music you've already downloaded. All right, if you could hit the like and share, I'd appreciate it. You know, if you have not subscribed to us, hit that subscribe, and